We'll guide you through how to add multiple photos in one Instagram post. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and so you wanted to go and post and add multiple photos to one post on Instagram. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So commonly on Instagram, people call this a dump, as essentially you're posting multiple in one. We're going to guide you through this. I think it's really cool to do, as perhaps you've been on a special trip, an event or whatever, and so you've got multiple photos and even videos which you're going to have in one post instead of scattering them all over your feed. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure there's full guide so you know what you need to do. So from the profile page or the home page, you need to go to the top left. There you can go and find the plus button, which you want to go and tap on, and this will open the create menu. And you want to go down and find the option for post. Now what you can do is scroll down so we can start seeing our gallery here. You need to go and head to the top right. There you're going to go and find select. And what you can do is start selecting the photos you want to do this with. So I want to go and we'll start with this one here. So it may automatically go and select one. If it does, you just tap on it to unselect it. Then you can go and tap them in the order you want them to be in. You can still go and change this later, don't worry. Then you can go and press next in the top right, and you can then swipe across and go and see them here. So you can go and tap and hold them to go and change the order and drag them like so. And what you can do at the bottom here is you can go and tap on it and then add text, overlay, filters, and edit it with like the lighting and things like that. So you can go and customize this to your liking. At the top as well, you can go and add music, but you can press audio at the bottom as well. Then what you can do is go and press next in the bottom right, and you can go and add a caption. So I could go and type in multiple, caption it what you want, and then you can go and add audio, tag people at a location, choose the audience and share on other platforms. And when you're ready, press share to go and post it. Let's come to our profile here. Just be patient and we can go and refresh. And as you can see, there it is. You can then tap on it and see there are multiple. That's it.